Everyone, so today's quick tip video is how to rename your scan and cut machine in your Canvas Workspace account. So this is canvasworkspace.brother.com and I've already logged in to my account. So this is the online Canvas Workspace. I'm going to go up to my name here at the top of the screen. So this will show the name that you registered with your Canvas Workspace account. I'm going to select that. And then from here, you'll see it says machine registration, and it also says it on the side. It doesn't matter which one you select. So I'm just going to select that and it will show you the machine I have selected. Now, this is my SDX 2200. This is not your serial number, by the way. Your serial number is on the back of your machine. But let's say you've got a couple of machines and you're not quite sure which one's which. I've not been able to find a way when you select this. It says non-editable. So I've not been able to find a way where you can change the name of the machine so that you know which machine you're looking at in here. And also when you're using the Artspira app, this information is what shows in there. So, you know, you may operate more than one machine. You might want to send something to one machine rather than another. Or, you might just want a better description than cutting machine 665. As I say, it says here that the machine name, you can change it in the Artspira app. So I've got the Artspira app on my phone and I've got it opened up here. So if you look at the top of the screen, you'll see an icon that looks like a sewing machine and scan and cut machine. If you select that, and then I've not got an embroidery machine registered, but I've got a cutting machine registered. So if I click on this arrow here, you'll see it gives me the same information that's in Canvas Workspace. So it says cutting machine 665, and then it's got this 3802 number, okay? So if you select this arrow next to the machine that you want to change, it then brings up this information. Now, I'm not going to change that number. I'm going to leave that as it is. That's obviously a number that Canvas Workspace has given me. But here, where it says cutting machine 665, I am going to change. So I'm going to click on this arrow and then you'll see it gives me the name, and I'm going to click on my phone next to that number 5, and then it gives me an X next to it. So I'm going to click that and it says no name. So now on my phone, I'm going to type SDX 2200D. and hit done. So now it shows as SDX 2200D. So I'm just going to come out of that and click done. Okay, so now when I go back to that icon at the top right of the screen and select my cutting machine, it now shows it as the SDX 2200. So I'm going to close down my phone, and then back in Canvas Workspace, I'm going to come out of this page. So I'm just going to come, say, to useful information, and then back to machine registration. And now you'll see it's changed it to my SDX 2200D. So like I say, if you've got more than one machine, you can change the name to make it easier to identify. You may never need to do this, or it might just annoy you when you go into the settings that it's just a generic number. That's how you can change it so that you can identify which machine you're sending information to. So I hope that was helpful. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.